Hi, I'm Pam of Pam Branch Designs, and today is going to be more of a studio vlog. Right now, I'm in my kitchen because I came in here to get some coffee, and I flicked on the light, and a hawk was right outside the window, and I surprised it. It surprised me, and it flew away a few seconds later, so I didn't get the best shot of it, but I grabbed my phone and got a really short video of it. But that's not the first time I've seen a hawk perched right there. And when I saw the hawk, the main thing I was looking at was the mimosa tree. Sometimes I call it a samosa tree, but it's not. It's a mimosa because it's really blooming really pretty. And let me show you. Just last week, it only had a few buds on it. This is the tree here. Look at that. And another thing I need to do is I need to order bird seed because my bird feeders have been empty. My bird feeders have been empty for like a week, and I'm sure they're kind of mad at me right now. Maybe that's why the hawk was there. There's no birds. There's no birds, so the hawk is probably a little disappointed. But maybe even the hawk was like, you need to fill your feeder because I need breakfast too. The hawk doesn't eat the bird seed, but I think we know how that goes with hawks. Anyway, another thing I did is I started two channels. One of them is just going to be like short videos of like flowers and Bible verses, kind of easy, calm, relaxing little channel. And I'll put the link below. And another one is for my garden, more long videos of my garden. Because I feel like I've tried to put some of those videos on this channel, and I think it just gets it a bit mixed up. And to be honest, I think the algorithm gets confused. Like, I'm not quite sure who to show these videos to. So I figured I would separate it because I'm not going to stop making those types of videos. Like when I see a hawk, I'm going to grab my phone. But maybe this audience on this channel that's here for decoupage and like studio things might not be so interested in the actual birds. Maybe you're just more interested in seeing the papers that I make that have birds on them. I mean, when I see a hawk, I get excited. As many times as I've seen them, they're pretty cool to see. I did see an eagle once. Now that was pretty cool. And also um, the bird, not an egret. Well, we do have an egret. Not a kestrel. Anyway, I don't know. I'll think about it. So my coffee's brewing. I'm having decaf because I feel like caffeine is making me crazy. It affects my mood, so I have to lay off the caffeine. So anyway, that's you probably don't need to know that. Hurry up, coffee. Hurry up. Okay, that was random and a little crazy. But my son leaves his little toys everywhere. It doesn't taste as good without the caffeine in it. It really doesn't. I can tell that there's no caffeine. It's not worth breaking my fast for this. Anyway. Okay, so we are downstairs. Oops. Oh, that is as bright as it goes. Okay, so we're gonna need a little bit more light. I can't see. So so it's not that I don't like making the decoupage project videos. I like making, oops. It's not that I don't like making those decoupage project videos. It's just I'm not so sure you guys want to watch them because some of them get 50 views, some of them get like 52 views. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, the numbers have gone down. And so I'm thinking like what I did was I started an affiliate program. So if you're someone that likes to decoupage and you have a channel or you have a place where you want to show off my papers and how you use them and put my affiliate link in your whatever. Put your link below and know how all that works. You can reach out to me. It's on my website, pambrandsdesigns.com. Or just email me, pam@pambrandsdesigns.com, because I don't think you can become an affiliate, and I have to send you an invitation to become an affiliate. So I don't have it where you can just sign up. I'm just thinking about that. So if it's something that you're interested in, like you make videos and you want to show off the papers and show off your own projects, and you get like a commission on the sale that someone uses your code for, just let me know. And because I don't know, people don't really want to see me making anything. It's kind of why I started the other channels, but it's not like I'm going to abandon this one. But I have other interests. I just can't put them all here because I think like I said, I think it confuses the algorithm. But anyway, I've got this one order to get out. I could wait and let them pile up a bit and then let them go out tomorrow, depending on how many more I get. But I just don't like to let orders sit because I feel like when I order something, I expect it to be there like in 10 minutes. I don't know why. But anyway, I guess I should stop talking. This is my little stash of papers. This kind of shows you that this is where I keep my printed papers. This is bad because I only have a few already printed, just like a few. I have 600 some designs. So every time someone orders, I'm just printing them out. And that slows me down. What I need to do is take a day and just really print out the ones that people order all the time so that I have them. It's kind of not smart to every time I get an order to have to stop what I'm doing and print them out. I should just be able to boom, 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 stick them in the mail and then get on with my day. So now this is weird. Now, if you were just walking in here and saw this, which was what I just did, and then turned away, I'm doing some tests. I'm going to play around with screen printing. And this is rice paper and tissue paper. So I'm playing around with that. So stay tuned. Maybe I'll come up with something kind of cool with respect to rice paper and tissue paper for decoupage projects. So anyway, I'm going to get started on this printing. So before I print these, I need to take a look through some of these random papers to see if I actually have it here. These have just not been like put together. Oh, this is one. All right, so that's one. Do I have another one in here? Come on, let's have another one. We want another one. Let's see. Nope. Nope. No. Oh, I should put these. That's two. I should put that together. Some of these. Let's see. Nope. 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 Now this and this are the same. It's like a matching game. That's an order right there for when I get that. Oh, look at that. I have another one. I don't have to print them. See, I need to go through here and sort these out. Sometimes what happens is, I don't even have an explanation. I just don't have it together. Okay, so I'm just going to cut these and put them in the mail. Get my cutter, paper cutter. All right, so these are perfect. And I have probably done this before. I've probably explained this before, but this image of this cardinal, this is a bestseller. I think I have it also available as a greeting card. So this is a photo I took of a cardinal, and so this is not AI. This is like a real cardinal. And I took this picture out here. I'm going to take you on a field trip. The tree doesn't look like that right now, but this is like the best. This that's a crabapple tree. That's the best tree. And then in the summer, you see the top branches there that are sticking out? The hummingbirds will land there and then come to the feeder on the back deck. They do the same thing every year. See, it's like random moments like that. Like that brings me joy, like that tree. Like I love a good tree, but not everybody's into trees and birds. And so that's why I started those other channels so that I can put those types of things over there and not kind of put it in a place where maybe it doesn't really belong, because I think that's what YouTube is telling me by not showing my videos to people. I don't know. But anyway, this is probably the goofiest video I've ever done. But that's okay. Who cares? I'm just at this point where whatever. I'm going to print these. And sometimes I repeat myself. Like that tree, I have done other videos where I like stop what I'm doing and take a video of that tree. Sorry. So it's funny. I put 2 pieces of cardstock in the printer. I go over here to print and it asks, how many. And I couldn't remember after 30 seconds. Oh, God. Okay, so here's one. This is the backing paper. I got to just cut them. Why is it taking so long? We'll just cut this one. I should have 1 million of these already printed. Why isn't it printing? All right. All right, so I cut this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we've cut my little bag. And I need a little tape. All right. So now I just need to print the packing slip and the postage, and then we'll take a quick walk to the mailbox. So I'm heading up to the mailbox, and if you're a little curious about what my garden is looking like, be sure to go on over to my new channel, Pam Branch Gardens, and have a look at what I'm doing over there. All right, thank you so much for watching.